Hello traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com, and the market's down slightly. I say slightly, but we had a pretty nasty little sell-off at the very end of the day. The last half hour or so is just a bloodbath, going straight down, bringing the Dow down 86 plus points. That's 0.8% here on the S&P, a 0.5% on the NAS, and then the Russell's down 1.2, and we do have a nice little spike here in the VIX, putting us at 22.5 on the fear indicator. So let's take a look at things and see what's shaking out. This is the S&P daily per usual, and we had this nice uptrend, and then we go into this high base type formation. These are usually pretty bullish if we can get a breakout to the upside. But in the meantime, while it was trying to make this high base formation, we do have a rising wedge formation with a bearish divergence here on the MACD. With this bearish divergence that's taking place here isn't out of the norm due to the fact that we are consolidating, which usually brings the MACD moving averages down to the histogram line. We are still positive on the plus side of this zero line, but we do have a negative tick, and if I blow this up, you can see the negative tick right there on the histogram. So at this point, it's anybody's guess what's going to happen. Now, if we do break down, we still have this big trend line, this blue one. Now, let's talk about where this comes from. It goes way back here, swing low to this major swing low to this one. So if in fact we do break down, we have major support coming up right there, which happens to be where the 50-day moving average is. If this guy gets some strength and blasts northbound, it could do it with a lot of power, because we're piercing this swing high, making some nice highs. It's been a long time since we've been this high, and I would expect to see a big bounce and a curl take place at the zero line on the MACD heading due north. So as we were saying yesterday or last couple of days, it wouldn't surprise me if this comes right back down. And look at these three shadows on the weekly chart. They're all just right there. They come back down, building a high base. So we're at this point where there's indecision in the market. We're looking for movement. Tomorrow, pre-market, is unemployment, and that can certainly move the markets one direction or the other. We did have a significant hit in the financial and basic material sectors, which doesn't bode well for the markets. And gold at this moment is above 1,200. So there's a lot going on. Pay special attention to the markets. Make sure you never miss a video here at freetradingvideos.com. Learn. So this is the place where we help you find your full potential in trading. So take care, happy trading, and don't overtrade, and always trade with a stop loss.